Welcome back to the show, guys. Welcome back, Altcoin era. Now, it's 11 p.m. at night in Scotland. Now, we're going to start today, and we're going to look at altcoins and where we're heading. Possibly, maybe 60K, 65K. We're going to see, we're going to find out. Is it too late to buy? Are you FOMO? Are you feeling FOMO and you just want to jump in? We're going to find out what's happening today in the altcoin market. Now, BTC is up today. It's up 16% in 1 week. And you can feel the euphoria. You can feel the excitement in the air. And where are we heading? Are we going to 85K? Where are we going? We're going to find out. Now today, BTC, the price of BTC is $44,278. It's up 14% for the week. Ethereum, it's at $2,363. It's 13% for the week. Tether is at $1 and it's down 0.02% for the week. Thankfully, it's still $1. It hasn't depegged. Now, BNB is $238, and for the week, it's up 4.55%. XRP is at 66 cents. Solana is at 73 cents, and it's up 22% for the week. USDC is at $1. ADA is at 0.5. It's at 54 cents and it's up a staggering 43% for the week. And this is a major cap. This is a large cap. You've got Dogecoin, the infamous, famous meme coin. It's up 20% for the week. Avalanche is doing a tear at the moment. It's doing an absolute tear. Fundamentals is great on this project. It's a real good, solid project, and it's up 39% for the week. Now, we're going to look at the altcoins. And what we're going to look at is this chart here. Now, this chart is the total market cap, excluding the top 10, and it's the weekly chart. Now, as you can see, we've come down. Let me show you. Now, as you can see, we've come down. We came down and we've gone back up. We've ripped back up and then we've come down further. Made a vicious drop from there, and now we've broken resistance. We've broken resistance again, and now it's heading to this line here at $238 million total market cap, excluding the top 10. Now, as you can see here, this was the previous market. Now, the previous market, it dropped from here to there, and then it went back up again, made a vicious rally, and headed back down, and one more time went up here. We got the COVID crash, and that was the end of the brutal bear market. Now, as you can see here, we're doing something similar. We've had an extended drawdown with a slight bounce and another a slow bleed. And now what we're doing is we formed a double bottom here. And now what we're doing is we're heading up further. Okay. So we're heading up further, and let's see where it can possibly go. Now, if I do a bar pattern from here, from the COVID low to, let's say, here. So from the COVID low to here, so this is the COVID low. So this is a double bottom. So we'll put it here, and we'll go here. We'll put it like that. And now what we're expecting is for it to go up higher, test this range, and then probably come back down. But maybe 2024, by maybe June 2024, just before the halvening, we're going to consolidate. Just after the halvening, we're going to consolidate, and then we're going to try go for the all-time high. Now, where I think it might go is sorry, excuse me. Where I think it might go is probably, so the previous market was from this high, and we go here. No. So it broke the previous high right here. So it broke the previous high. Should we do the wick or the candle? Let's do the candle. Okay, now from there, we slowly went back up, and then tested the previous all-time high. Once we'd done that, we made one initial pump, and then we made another initial pump. It bounced. Some people were saying this was a dead cat bounce, but anyway, it doesn't matter. It hit it done another bounce, and once it done another bounce, that's 607%. Okay, done a 6x. So let's just say from here we go to the previous all-time high of 2021, October the 25th, 2021. That was the absolute high. That was the ultimate high. Now let's just do some dubious speculation, and from here, from the bar candle, we'll go up 607%. So 607% will be $3 trillion. $3 trillion. Now let's just put into a factor of diminishing returns. Now, obviously, as the market cap gets bigger and bigger, you're gonna have more and more diminishing returns. So let's half that, and let's do 300%. So 300, let's do half of it. 335% will get you that $2 trillion mark. Now I'm expecting it, honestly, to get to 2 trillion this cycle. By 2025, by late 2025, I'm expecting it to get to $3 trillion mark for the total market cap, excluding BTC. That's my projections, and that's where I believe we're heading to. Just find out, wait and see, and we'll see where it goes to next. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna look at ETF. Now the ETF is gonna be very, very interesting. BTC ETF is almost here upon us. It's like the probability is very, very high. Now we're gonna find in 2024 we're gonna get to crypto spot ETF wars. Now Ethereum, there's speculation that Ethereum is gonna be next, followed by Solana, ADA. We're gonna have a whole heap of different cryptos fighting for that space, to become a spot ETF. Now Grayscale, bear in mind, Grayscale is one of the largest holders of sorry about that. One of the largest holders of Link, Solana, ADA, Avalanche. They've got a whole plethora of crypto companies, crypto projects, and they're holding onto this, hoping that it will become a spot ETF. Now, bear in mind, everyone, just keep your eyes on the prize. I think this is going to be a real contender. The top 10 positions, the top 10 crypto coins are probably going to be ETFs. Spot ETF Ethereum, that's definitely in the future. That's definitely going to happen. XRP, maybe in the cards. Solana, in the cards. Cardano, it's definitely there. It's going to have its shout. Avalanche, Chainlink, Polkadot, Polygon, a few of these, Litecoin, Cosmos, Stellar, what else? That are going to fight for this position. And maybe one more outlier. maybe one more outlier, Arbitrum, Stacks. Yeah. So these maybe near as well. These are going to be the contenders of the spot ETF. So guys, I would advise you to front run this, and but yeah, you still have time. We still have time, and don't let other influencers or Twitter or YouTube make you feel like you missed out. We're still early. Yeah, take your time. DCA into projects. Take your time. If you've missed the bottom, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You still can get glorious gains, and as long as you buy near the bottom and sell near the top, as long as you get that momentum, you'll be all right. You'll be fine. Yeah. So we're gonna see where we're heading next, and I think the next possible step is 60K. I think we're heading to 60K. That's the next plausible place that we can go to. I think for BTC, I think we've got an ideal scenario in the whole space. I think it's called the Goldilocks scenario, and inflation is under control. Unemployment has gone down. Today it's gone down. Yeah. So unemployment has gone down. Inflation is under control, and we've got QE in the background now, and we don't have QT. So this is like an ideal environment for us to see higher prices. I believe the next step that we're going is 50K. That's a no-brainer. And if SPX goes to $5,000 US, which I think it's very doable. It can happen. Yeah, it can happen. And I want to show you something. I want to show you gold. It's something interesting, really interesting. Now, gold has been in a consolidation range for almost from 2020 all the way till 2023. So for 3 years, it's been consolidating at this range. Now, if you look at this, also, if you bear in mind, gold was consolidating for almost 8 years. Let's see, Let's see, from 2013 all the way to 2019. Yeah. So almost 7 years it's been consolidating, and then it ripped. Yeah. And let's see where it went from here all the way to, it had a massive bull run, 76%. Hey, we get that in crypto in just 1 week. But hey, because the market cap is so massive, that's why it's still impressive. That 67% increase is like trillions. Okay, so let's do from here, and let's do 76%. Yeah? Oh, doesn't even fit. Let's do 76% from here. Boom. And 76%. Boom. That's $3,600. Yeah? $3,600. That's massive for gold. That is huge. Yeah? It's like a $10 trillion market cap. So just 1% or 2% increases, that's a huge pump. Yeah, that's a lot of liquidity, and to push the markets up or down. Okay, so let's look at this. So for example, it made a triple top. Now triple tops are bullish, are very bullish. So it's made a higher low, and then it just ripped. Yeah, ripped past resistance. Now let's look at BTC. I think BTC will do something similar. It's moving like gold, so I think it's going to do a triple top. Yeah, I think we're going to get to 60K. My personal opinion. I don't want to sound like a perma bull, but honestly, I think we're going to get to 60K. So once we get to 60K, I think it's going to come back down, do a higher low. Not today, maybe in a few months. Yeah, maybe in a few months, even maybe post most likely post halvening. Yeah, we're gonna do a triple top, make a lower low, and then from there we're gonna bounce. It might just mirror gold, so just bear in mind we still got a lot of room to go. We still got a lot of way to go, and alts are doing really well. ADA doing really well today. It's up 20% today. Look at that candle, 20% up. Massive breakout from the previous from the previous high. Huge breakout. Yeah, so ADA, what ADA needs to do, it needs to go above 65 cents, and the bear market's over for ADA. The drawback, and then after that we're in neutral territory, and then from there we can target higher numbers like $3, but that's not anytime soon. So guys, DCA into projects that you like, DCA, this is the ideal time. And BTC dominance, let's see where we're at. BTC dominance has a comeback. Now look at this candle right here. Yeah, this looks like a top and tail. Now a top and tail is normally a reversal. Now this looks bearish for the dominance, but it's bullish for us. Yeah, those are in altcoins. Look at that. That's what you call a top and tail. A small candle and a massive long wick. So that means where it's gonna come down. It's bearish and it's gonna come back down. We might see another candle that goes back up, but ultimately we might not see another high. So this might be a drawdown for BTC. We might come back, consolidate here, and maybe BTC goes back up. But for the meantime, I'm thinking a good spot, maybe 49%, 48% is where we're heading, and that will give ample time and ample space for the alts to catch up. Right now, what's happening is large caps are, remember last episode, large caps, it goes to large caps. So BTC pumps first, then second it goes to large caps such as these, the top 10, and then medium range, and then finally the last part of the pump is small caps. Small caps are the ones to pump, and they'll pump like 50, 60, 70% in just a week and a day. So just we're still here, we're still early, and this is the road to 60k, guys. Now this is your boy Ahmed Yusuf. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and check out my website, Altcoin Era. We've got way more information on Altcoin Era. Sign up to our newsletter, and we've got even more great perspectives in the market. I'm going to continue researching, and I'll bring you more and more information and alpha, and make sure that you check out all our videos. I've got more intel, more videos on our website. If you want more information, head on over. This is your boy Ahmed Yusuf. Respect, peace, bye.